Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I will be making golden brown fluffy pancakes bursting with blueberries. So the first thing we want to make are the mixing of the wet ingredients, which consists of eggs, sugar, salt and milk. So we need to mix all these ingredients until it is nice and smooth. So use a whisk to do the job. Okay, you should mix it until it looks something like this. As for the dry ingredients, we need cake flour and baking powder. Also mix these two ingredients well. Then we'll pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and slowly mix it using a whisk until it forms a nice smooth pancake mixture. Something that looks like this. The consistency is a bit runny, just like a pancake mixture. So the last ingredient we want to add is our cooking oil. Here I'm using corn oil. You can use any type of oil that is not strong smelling. So mix it well until the oil is totally incorporated into our batter. So the filling that I'm using is a can of blueberry pie filling. You can buy this from the baking supply shop. This is a 610 gram can. I need only half a can for this recipe. It is not overly sweet, has a nice tang, and the syrup is not runny. You can see whole blueberries instead of a gooey blue mess. Let's cook our pancakes. So first of all, we need to have a flame that is very low. So we want to cook it low and slow. This pan that I'm using is a 4-hole fried egg non-stick pan. So you do not need any oil if you are using this pan. So I use the same 50 milliliter ladle throughout. This ensures that my pancakes are of uniform size. Try not to put more than this volume, as we will run the risk of burning the outside of our pancakes while the inside is not cooked. So after 1 minute, you can see that there are bubbles forming on the circumference of the pancake. So what we need to do is to use a rolling pin or a spoon to raise the sides of the dough. The raised edges will not only become very crispy, they will form a barrier to prevent the filling from oozing out. This also helps to push some of the batter which gathers at the center to the side, thus ensuring even cooking. So cover this to help the pancakes cook faster. Cook this for about 2 minutes. So 2 minutes later, you will see that the inner surface is brown while the outer surface is still uncooked, as the inner surface is closer to the flame. So what I do is I use a satay stick to turn the pancakes 180 degrees to ensure even cooking. So all you have to do is to turn it. This is a non-stick pan, so it's very easy to turn. So after you have done this, you need to cook it for a further 2 minutes. Okay, then we will put in our filling. Normally I put about 1 tablespoon of my blueberry filling. You can put more if you want, or less if you want it to be less sweet. So once you have put in the filling, so you're going to flip the unfilled pancake over the filled one and cook for 2 more minutes. Okay, so then 2 minutes later, our pancakes are ready. It's best served hot, as our pancakes will be nice and crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside. So let's take one, and then we want to cut it and see what it looks like from the inside. Okay, so can you see that our pancakes is soft and fluffy and slightly sweet, and it is bursting with sweet, jammy, and juicy blueberry. I can assure you that your family will enjoy this different way of cooking a pancake. Everyone loves pancake. It can be enjoyed any time of the day, especially for breakfast. Do give this recipe a try someday. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, happy cooking!